Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you on how to make a bar graph with a standard deviation. So here we have data on the effect of different antibiotics on a certain bacterium. In this case, the control group did not receive any antibiotic. 4.7 here stands for the diameter of the colony of the bacterium which did not receive any antibiotic, and so on. So these are the colonies of certain species of bacterium under antibiotic A, or a treatment which was added with antibiotic A, and also for B and C. So what we shall do is to copy this table into our Microsoft Excel. And so here we have the data transferred in our Microsoft Excel. So what we shall do here is to compute for the average. So let's press equals and type average. So we have here the option here. Let's double click this average and we select 4.7 down to 4.9. We shall include the blank cells here so that we could automatically compute the values for the other columns. So that is 5.06 as the average. Now let us compute for the standard deviation. Let's press equal sign and type STD. Let us select standard deviation from the sample, this one. So let's double click this one. And again, let us select 4.7 down to 4.9, but we will include the blank cells as well. Then press enter. And to compute for the averages and standard deviations of the other columns, we shall select these values that we were able to compute. And as you can see, there is this solid dark plus sign. Let's hold our mouse and drag this towards the right for us to get the averages and standard deviations for the other columns. So what we shall do now is to copy these values, Control C, then let us use the paste special command, and let's select values, click OK. Let us label this as the control. Then we have here antibiotic A. Then we have here the B and C. Antibiotic B and antibiotic C. Okay. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's increase the size of the font. Right. Then let's round this off. Let's format the cells, select number. Let's just select the default. Okay. For us to generate a bar graph, let us select the headings, including the averages. And let's select insert, select this bar graph, select this one, and automatically we have the bar graph for the control and those for antibiotics A, B, and C. Let's delete this chart title for a while. And what our next task is to include the standard deviation as error bar of our bar graph. So what we shall do is to select the bar, then press plus sign for more chart elements, and let's just select error bars. So once we hover our mouse here in error bars, an error bar would appear on our graph, but that's not what we want. We need to click this arrow for more options. So let's select more options and let's custom to specify the value. Okay, let's delete this entry here for positive error value. What we're going to do is select the standard deviations which we computed. For the negative error value, let's delete that as well and select the standard deviations which we computed, and let's click OK. And there you go. So we were able to incorporate the actual standard deviation for its treatment. We can check that by, say, let us change the value here. Let's make it, say, 2 and enter. So as you can see, there's a change on the size of the error bar. If let's change this into, say, 3, it also changes. So we are sure that these error bars are the one that's incorporated on our graph here. Let's undo the changes. So go back to that. So that's how you make a bar graph with error bars. That's all for now. See you soon.